Okay, so it's recording now.
Okay.
So the topic is SharePoint list,
Right.
and we will see how to create list and create columns and different types of uh, columns.
Okay.
If time permits, we will see view. There is in the list itself there is a concept called view. In
Okay.
general, I mean in SQL Server also we have view,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Yeah, same concept. I mean we'll just see that also. Okay, so let us start how to create a list. Click on site actions, then click on site contents, and click on new. You can see your list.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just giving the list name. So I'm just giving the name
Department.
and creating it.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So every list, I mean the default column would be title.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, and it is default, by default it is required field.
Hmm. Right.
Okay, so I'll just try to submit the record. How to add the record is just go here, click
Okay.
on new. By default you will get attachment that we will disable it later.
Okay.
Click on save. See here record is submitted.
Yeah.
Okay, if I directly give it, it is showing that you cannot leave this blank. That means it is required field.
Right. And what about that attachment part?
Yeah, I mean if it is required we can attach it. See here,
Okay.
I'm just saving now.
Right.
So you will get attachment also. When I click on it, you will see the record
Okay.
with attachment.
Mm-hmm.
Many times, I mean, we may not need the attachment, so we can
Yes.
disable it later. I mean, in the list settings, I will show it. I mean,
Okay.
today's class itself, we will see that also. Okay. So I'll just make this as a 2013 version.
Okay.
So for that, I have to click on list settings. Here I have advanced settings
Okay.
and click on classic experience.
Okay.
So it's 13 version.
Okay.
So go back to departments. You will see the look and feel is different.
Right.
Okay.
Right now, this is
Online. I mean, previous was online. This is 13 type, like it's classic experience.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. So we will work on 13 part. I mean,
Right.
as we discussed. Yeah. So see here, same. Everything is same.
Mm-hmm.
Only look and feel and different like attachment. It is coming here.
Right.
Basically, the way of presentation is a little bit different.
Right. More advanced.
Yeah. So next one is, I mean, we have created the list. We have to see how to create the columns.
Okay.
So just go back to the ribbon. I mean, in general, uh, Word, Excel, everything has its own ribbon, right?
Right.
In the same way, SharePoint has a ribbon.
Okay.
See here. I mean, it is a departments list,
Mm-hmm.
and in this ribbon, you can see items
Items
and
and
list. So items means it is related to data,
right.
and list means it is related to the table or whatever list related, I mean column related, whatever the settings, everything will be available. Okay, so for creating a column, you just click on the list in the ribbon, go to list settings.
Right.
So there we can see here in the column section, by default you can see these 5 columns.
Right. Title, modify, created. Yeah.
Yeah, created. So this means, I mean, it is the data, but
Yes.
created means, I mean, when the record was created,
Right. Right.
created by who was created, modified and modified, who was
Yeah.
modified and when it was modified. Okay, these are the default things. So let me create a column. Just click on create column. So I'll give here department name.
Right.
If you observe, I am not giving the space here also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So the types are these. These are the main types. So single line is like as we have like a
Right.
text
Right.
box, like yeah.
Yes.
Multi-line means if we have
Right.
the description or any elaboration kind of things.
Right.
Sometimes articles, like if it is a big article, then we'll give multiple lines. So choice, I mean, it's a drop down list.
Right.
So if it is like multiple records, we may need to select sometimes multi or single. It
Okay.
may be radio or drop down list. I mean,
Checkbox.
basically, I mean, if we select here, you will get the option called radio button,
Yeah.
checkbox, and drop. I
Okay.
mean, we can select multi things
Right.
based on our requirement. Number means like only numbers it will allow. Since we have, I think, what is that? Integer in table.
Yeah.
So it allows only numbers. So if you want currency, that means amount,
Right. Right.
fees, salary,
Yeah.
these type of data we will take currency.
Right.
Date and time we know, like date of birth, anniversaries,
Right.
whatever.
Right.
So lookup means if we have already some existing list, that
Right.
means maybe country,
Yeah.
that's common data, right?
Right.
So regions, Asia Pacific, Japan, EU, European
Right.
region. These are all the common things. We will maintain those data in another list, and we can take that data into this list.
Right.
So sometimes we may need to maintain like master list, and we have to connect with transaction list. Same way in SQL.
Okay.
Like we'll maintain the master tables, right? And transaction tables. You're able to understand this?
Can you please repeat this one?
Okay. Master list means, for example, I have country field.
Right. Right.
I mean the list name itself country.
Right.
The data is like India, Pakistan, Sri
Yeah.
Lanka, something. So, for example, this is my transaction list.
Yeah.
I want country here also.
Right.
Instead of creating again the data like country data,
Right.
I will take the data from here,
Country.
so that automatically this data will come into as a column here. If
Yeah.
I take lookup column,
Mm-hmm.
information already on this site. That
Right.
means
Right.
the data is available in another list, and I am taking into here.
Okay.
So maybe I'll just create one more. We'll go one by one.
Okay.
So department name, I'm taking single line.
Right.
So is it required or not?
Okay.
Optional.
Required.
Yeah. So sometimes we may need to maintain unique values.
Value. Yeah.
Okay. If it is no, let us leave it.
Mm.
Default value we can give it. Sometimes, I mean, if you're optional, then let us say if it is optional,
Yeah.
sometimes we will need to fill some value.
Right.
It is your wish whether you can fill it or not. If it is
Okay.
empty, I mean, that will become empty only.
Right.
So I'm just making it as required and clicking OK. Going back to departments, click on new item.
Right.
Department name is coming.
Okay. Okay.
Data is coming.
Yes.
Okay. I'll create one more list. Multi lines. I'm selecting multi lines.
Multi-lines.
Yeah, you can give required and number of lines. That means if you know like how many lines minimum, like
Right. Right.
maximum lines. If you give 6, or by default it is 6. If you
Okay.
want, you can increase it to 7 also.
Okay. So maximum, how much I will
And you
put?
can 256 lines of
Okay.
their
Okay.
profile.
Okay.
So, but that look and feel is completely, it elaborates to maximum.
Right.
So what generally we will do is we'll give 6. I'll show you that.
Okay.
We'll make it as enhanced reach. I'll show you what is that enhanced reach.
Okay.
So click on new item.
Yes.
See here.
Department
I
description.
can like 4, 5, 6 like this. I can enter many.
Okay.
Since it is
Automatically
enhanced.
there is increase.
Sorry.
Automatically that
It comes.
restriction. Yeah.
Yeah. I
And
mean it's default. What the meaning of this 6 is.
mhm,
I'll show. The look and feel. I mean if I give 3.
yeah. Okay. 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 I understand. Understand.
So you
Okay.
will get only 3.
Yeah. 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 Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'll create one more column, number.
Right.
Department ID I'm giving.
Right. Right.
So you can make it unique here.
Right.
Minimum, maximum also I can give like 1 and maybe 2000.
Okay.
You are able to enter between these numbers only.
Yes. Yes.
You can remove it, but
Mm,
I'm just giving the options.
okay.
So it was indexed. Okay. So I'll just see here. The number, if I give 1, it is allowing.
Mm-hmm.
6000. The value of this field must be between 1 to 2000.
Right. Should be between 1 and 2,000.
Yes. So since we have restricted, so I can remove it. I'm just clicking OK now. Again, I'm coming back. About 2000 I'm giving. It takes up because there is no validation here.
Right.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So currency. I'm giving the budget. In currency also you can give min and max, and you can give the format, currency format. The
Okay.
format may be I'll take Indian rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So that it shows the symbol as rupee symbol.
Right.
Budget 214. See here, the rupee symbol is coming.
Okay. Yes,
If you change that, then it may like,
it will change. Right.
yeah, it will show you like whatever the symbol you are doing.
Okay.
Date and time. Giving start date. I can take date
Date only.
or
And
date and time also.
yes.
So just giving the format. See here, I'm getting only date.
Right.
Yeah, I gave unique current. So see here, the date is coming.
Right.
If you want to change the format,
Yes.
for example, I have this format.
Right.
I can make this as a friendly format,
Yeah.
display
Okay.
format,
So, okay.
and I'll update this as date and time.
Right.
Like okay, then see here,
Okay.
it's a friendly format.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah.
tomorrow name like that. By default we got volume,
Right. Right.
or I'll just update it. 30th. See now, May 30. Since it is 2020,
Mm-hmm.
we don't need to show again 2020. So that's
Right.
the friendly format.
Okay. Okay.
And the next one is lookup. I'll just create one more list.
That
As
master
discussed, we'll
table.
create a list name called country.
Yeah.
So in the title, I'll give like India. I'll take only 3 records
Right.
as it is testing. So I have 3 records now. I'm going back here, create column.
Right.
My column name would be country,
Country and
taking lookup.
lookup.
So see here, get
Yeah.
information from
Here.
many are there. So
Right.
I'm taking country.
Country.
And country, my column name is title.
Right.
Default title will come. I'll take
Title.
title. Click OK.
Yeah. It's very easy to create that
Yeah,
list.
yeah. If it is SQL server, we need to
Yeah.
manage.
Yeah. So,
Many things will be there. Here
yeah.
it is easy. You got the
All,
data.
yes,
Default.
all the things are there, and we just create those. We just
Yes.
use those control.
Yes. Basically, we should know how to navigate.
Yeah.
Everything will be available, but where, if
How
every
to
day it goes
use?
up, no, so after 20 hours,
Uh-huh.
so 20 topics will be over. So then you will get to know, you will be confused. I mean, I have seen many students, right?
Okay, okay,
So they know actually, but
yeah.
they'll think, I mean, where exactly it is available.
Okay, okay, okay.
That
Let's
is the
see.
problem finally.
Okay, okay.
So
Yeah, so country, yeah, all the things are available.
yeah. I'll just give 19 record.
And one more thing I want to know, if I restrict the calendar also, calendar date, can it possible to restrict?
We can restrict.
Okay.
Restrict means, I mean, what exactly you want to restrict?
Start date, I want to, please, I want to start this 1st May is a start date, should be. Or 1st June. 1st June is a start date. I want to restrict those part.
Okay.
Can it possible?
So if it is in the customization,
Yeah,
then
customization.
we need to take our own control.
Okay. Okay, we can create controls.
Yeah, we can create it.
Okay, but
HTML
because okay,
HTML
okay.
calendar controls we can take.
Yeah. Because sometime it's needed. So that's why I want to
No,
know.
when it comes to customization, no, so
Uh,
I'll explain that.
Okay, okay. Now it's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, as of now,
Yeah.
we are just,
Basic things. Yeah.
yeah. Later, I mean, if you observe our syllabus,
Yeah.
HTML, CSS also is there.
Yes.
That part is customized part.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have given December 1. Now it is showing 19.
Yes.
Previously it was not showing. Now because it is 2020 record.
2020.
Yeah. So I am able to see India now.
I can't see your screen properly. One second.
One second.
Yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah. December 1.
You are able to see now?
Yes.
Okay.
December 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
2019.
And the yes no is just like a checkbox.
Okay.
Example marital status.
Yeah.
So by default I gave yes. When you might have, I can give yes or no.
No. Okay.
I gave no now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I just selected the status.
Wait.
It is showing yes.
Yes.
So person or group is,
Mm.
yeah, generally I mean I was logged in with the account called SPFX I mean the title I gave it as SPFX components.
Right.
Okay, but the email is I gave it as Ashok.
Yeah.
Yours is Sangeeta, I gave it.
Right.
So sometimes generally whenever the end user, right? So when they are filling the person name,
Yeah.
instead of Ashok Ekala, maybe they'll give spelling mistakes.
Yeah.
So by that time, if I use person or group, then already existing employees, it automatically shows to you.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll show you department head. Person I am taking. Group it comes later. I mean groups is one more concept. Permission part it comes out.
Oh,
So as of now, I'm taking people only.
What
Group
is
means
the
multiple people in the same group.
yeah.
You know Active Directory, right? Active
Right.
Directory groups will be there. Same concept is available here,
Okay.
but it covers under permissions concept.
Okay.
See now, I mean, in the department head, automatically it is showing
Yeah.
Sangeeta,
Yes.
Sampath, it is showing SV Rao.
Okay.
It is by default it is showing. So I mean, end user may not be able to do the
That
mistakes.
user creation, that part
Yes.
we do in user creation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Name is coming up.
Yeah.
Hyperlink or picture is like sometimes we may need to uh, give the references.
Okay.
So that means, for example, I have uh, a library.
Yes.
I mean, this I'll create a library. Maybe
Yes.
some okay, .NET library.
Okay. That is tagged in that column name. What is this? Picture
Sorry,
or that first we create document library, then it's tagged into
then
that
we just need to give the
hyperlink
reference in
or
this list.
okay.
Just giving the profiles.
Right.
In the profile, uh, I'm just uploading the picture.
Yeah.
So I'll just copy the link. So here, I mean, I'll show you later.
Okay.
Profile, and I'm giving hyperlink or picture.
Right.
So format as picture. If you can give whatever you want. If you
Okay.
want to show the picture, you have to show the. You have to give the picture. Select the picture.
Okay.
So we'll see later the hyperlink also.
Okay.
So I just copied right the
Right.
URL. So
Picture not visible.
it will be visible. Some mistake we have done.
Yeah.
Mistake is, I mean, we need to convert that to classic experience.
Okay. Why?
I mean, it is in classic, right? Right now,
Okay.
both should be in classic.
Same. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm taking reference from here. How to take reference is you have to take the URL
Right.
and it is under profiles, right? So the name is in landing page 2 dot png.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, generally we don't give this much big pictures.
Yeah.
As of now, in my system,
Yeah.
it is there. So I can change it to hyperlink also.
Okay. If I have this big size picture, so can it possible to restrict that this
Okay, in the list.
size? Yeah, size.
So there is no, I mean, the concept of sizing is not available.
Okay.
I mean, we have to customize if it is required.
Okay.
Generally, people, how the companies will do is they'll give, I mean, profile picture means just simple one will be there.
Right. Right. Right.
So they'll give like this, or they'll provide the link
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
See now, I mean, it's just a link and they can open it.
Yeah.
So they have to go back. Otherwise, the problem is like look and feel will change.
Yeah. Yeah.
Complete like big size of list will, I mean, it looks so odd.
Yes.
So anything, I mean, it's basically it's all about requirement.
Right. Right.
So the next one is calculated column.
Yes. And one more thing I want to know, whenever we create that column, we should um, that classic one within a classic one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
can you please repeat it?
You create that column. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So are you in a classic one, in a
Yes.
classic version?
Yes.
Okay. So if it's necessary to shift it to classic in a classic version.
No, I mean, I mean, we are working on 2013. This
Yes.
is the 13 version.
Okay.
That's why, I mean, I just made it classic.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever the latest one was like online,
Okay.
19.
Okay.
2019 was like modern experience.
Okay. 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 But
So
10 and 13 same.
in 13, by default, you will get this experience, classic
And
only.
okay. And 10
10, same. I mean, there is no
same.
difference.
Okay. 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 Then we go for that calculated part.
Yeah. So sometimes, I mean, for example, here, we may need to calculate some data. So
Yeah.
that means like I have the budget.
Right.
So maybe budget into this is monthly budget and I want to see yearly budget.
Right.
So that means monthly budget into 12.
Right.
Automatically I have to do it. So that means I have to take the current existing column value
Yeah.
and multiply it.
Okay. So here, not required store procedure type things.
Yeah, we just need to give the formula here, Excel formulas.
Okay. Okay.
So just go here, where is the budget
Mm-hmm.
and multiple symbol and 12.
Okay.
So yeah, we have to give the formulas.
Right. Right. Right.
So maybe I'll give currency again
Right.
and I'll make it as India. Okay, click OK.
Okay.
See, now by default, I need to refresh.
Yeah.
We will
Okay.
get the calculated value.
Yes.
So I'll give one more column. I mean, we have to learn the calculated things. For example, I have title
Yes.
and department, maybe first name and last name.
Yeah.
Just think that this is the first name
Right.
and this is the second name. Sorry, last name.
Last one.
And if we want to see the full name,
Yes.
okay, I'll make it as department full name. Take calculated value.
Oh, concatenate.
Yes. Title
Yes.
plus
Okay. Right. Right. Right.
you can give space.
It's very easy to create that those
Yeah,
things.
very simple here.
I think so. Depart.
The value is coming.
Okay.
Some 1 second. So I have to give concatenate.
Okay.
Just need to select the two columns.
Right. A title and department.
Comma.
That bracket within a bracket. Yeah.
Like this. So if you are ASDF,
Yeah.
ASD.
Yeah. Same.
So if you want, sometimes we may need to give the space in between that.
Yes.
So just give uh, double quote, space, double quote, and again comma.
Okay.
As usual, I mean, just think that it is a another column.
Right.
Instead of that, just giving double quotes with space.
Right.
It's showing
Okay.
this. So there are many formulas will be there, like for calculated.
Yeah.
The only thing is, the problem here is I can calculate the existing, I mean the current record.
Right.
I cannot, I mean the out of the box is not supporting the previous record. For example, if I want to if I want to subtract the data from the previous record,
Right.
okay, for example in the accounts the closing balance will be there.
Right.
Yesterday 677 and today I want to enter, but automatically I want to take the record from the previous record. I mean,
Right.
if it is today is 2000 minus 677, it won't work out.
Okay.
The calculated value is works only, I mean, the existing current record.
Okay. Can you please repeat this one?
Yeah, the current record, I mean, the calculated value supports, if I
Current.
want to calculate
Yeah.
first name and last name, I can take only this record.
Okay.
I cannot calculate based on the previous record or
Previous.
whatever these records.
Okay. If it's needed, then
We can, I mean, we need to go for customization.
okay. Okay.
There are like, I mean, some restrictions are there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And other things, actually, there is some different, I mean, there is a dependency, task outcome, external data, and management. These three are different topics.
Okay.
Okay, there is a managed metadata concept is there.
Yes.
So by that time, I mean, I'll show it. I'll show these three columns. It is some. It will take half an hour, 45 minutes class.
Okay.
Okay. Anyhow, I mean, for creating the list, there is no dependency on these three.
Okay.
So managed metadata means very simple. I mean, we have the top navigation here, right?
Right.
So sometimes we are not able to, we don't need to take it from here. There is one more concept called managed metadata term sets.
Yes.
We will take it from there. By that situation, we'll use this.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show it to you by that time when the topic comes.
And one more thing, please send me that recorded part. Yesterday recorded part.
No, no, I don't need to send it. You
Okay.
just log into this site.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, I'll show you now.
Yeah.
Let us say it is your site.
Right. Right.
Yesterday we have created one site, right?
Right.
Sites,
That.
Bench India,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
correct? So
Yes.
this is the site.
Right.
Just go here, app launcher, click on stream.
Okay. Log in with my ID, then I just
Yeah, you just go to your site
okay.
and click on that
Okay.
stream.
Okay. Okay.
In my content, you can see videos.
Video. Okay. Okay. Okay.
In the videos, I mean, you just see SharePoint training,
Right.
not the framework.
Yeah.
So, so you just follow the SharePoint
Yes.
training. It may be basics now. Today's concept is always like SharePoint training things.
Okay.
Based on date, you can follow.
Okay. And one more thing, can I change? Can it possible to change the password?
Yeah, you from my side.
No, no, from my side.
Yeah, you have already changed it, right? Yesterday.
Yeah,
Some,
yeah, I forgot. So
yeah, yeah.
that's why I want to change.
Okay.
Can I change it
Oh,
now?
okay. Then I have to reset your password. Then you are able to do it.
Okay, okay. Please.
I'll do it right now.
Okay.
We'll forget otherwise. You can change it.
Yeah.
Giving in Teams.
Yeah. One second.
Please tell.
Reset it now.
Yeah, I sent it to you already.
Okay.
Take it into Notepad.
Yeah.
I mean, in the first login, you can
Right, right. Then
create
I
it.
can change my.
Yes. Yeah. So we are here in the departments.
Right.
The columns, I mean, creation of the columns is over.
Right.
So we'll go back to list settings again.
Okay.
I'm just showing two columns, how to edit it.
Okay.
I mean, till now we have created. I'll show you how to edit and how to delete it.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm just share department name.
Right.
I can edit it like this.
Okay. Can can we use that space?
Yeah, I mean, after creation you can use it,
Okay.
edit it. So what I'm saying is, like, initially you are going to create the column.
Right.
So this becomes the ID.
Right.
Later, if you change also, even, I mean, it won't update. The column will be like the first time whatever you are giving, that is the ID.
Right.
So see now, look and feel is department name with space,
Right.
and the ID is without space. Okay,
Okay.
you got my point.
Yeah.
So look and feel, like the look is like with
Right.
space.
Department name. Yeah.
I'll show you maybe. See now, this with
Yes.
space
Yes.
it is,
Yes. Yes.
but ID is in the URL
Same.
path,
Right.
previous one only.
Yeah.
So how to delete it? Just go here. You have option called delete.
Right. Okay.
Delete. Now the department name, it won't appear.
Right.
So that is, I mean, you just need to edit it, but whenever you need, you can do it.
Right.
There is one more thing called, for example, if I want to make it as required,
Right.
just come here and make it as required.
Yeah.
Or if, I mean, now required means star, department ID is star now.
Right.
So basically you just need to come to list settings. For example, you are in the departments, go back to ribbon, click on list settings,
Yes.
and you will see all the columns here,
Okay.
and you can just edit the column or delete whatever you want. See, the ID is
Hmm.
without space. Click OK.
Okay. If we want to create just initially, if I want to create that department name, department space name, it's
Okay,
not possible.
you can create
Yes.
it. There is no problem. I'll show you.
Okay. But there is a link, department space, that percent,
Yes,
20%.
yes. That is
Okay.
the problem.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Maybe I'll show you. Test.
No, no. Yesterday also.
Yeah, yeah. You are clear, right? That part.
Right. Right. Right.
You. Okay. So, and the next one is like, for example, I am just clicking on new item, and this is the form.
Right.
Sometimes customer will ask you like title, department description, then I need country. Instead of before department ID, I want country.
Yes. Yeah. 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 That
Order.
order. Right.
So by that situation, just go here. You will see column order.
Oh, okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3. 3 I'll give.
Yes.
See now the click on new item. The country is in third field.
Right. Right.
So you can change it. I mean, you got the point, right? So
Right.
whenever if you want the order,
Order.
like whatever the fields order, based on the order, you just go to list settings, click on column ordering, then select your order.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And the next one is you are seeing this. It is called a view. The
Right.
default view is all items. Here
Yes.
you can see the URL. So sometimes people may ask you like uh, I want only title, department description,
Yeah.
and budget.
Okay.
Only these
In
three.
in view.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can create our own view.
Mm-hmm.
In the views section, all
There is
items is the
it.
default one.
Yeah.
With that, I can create a one more view.
Okay.
There are 5 things, but we 99% will use standard view. Okay, I'm just creating standard view now.
Right.
Budget info. So there are 2 things. One is personal and public. Personal means only, I mean, if I created this view,
Mm.
I am able to see. Other people cannot able to see this.
Yes.
So public means everyone can see.
Yeah. And there is we can create that view. This view is for 2, 3 people, and another view we can assign for all things are show for a
Yes.
administrator.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible.
Okay, okay.
So create public view. As I said, I need only title, description, and
Yeah.
budget. Just need to unselect or uncheck the boxes.
Okay. And what about the position from left? This is a order.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Automatically, this will become 3.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll just change this 3 to 1.
Hmm.
That means department budget will be, sorry, department budget will be 1.
Yeah.
And description, I'll make it as 2.
Mhm.
Title as
Right.
3.
Right. Three.
Just click on view. Okay. See now the order is like this. And you
Yes.
are able to see only these 3.
Right. Right.
So we will continue the same thing. I mean, it may take 1 more hour. I mean, with view and there are few more list settings.
Okay.
It will continue 1 hour or 2 more. I mean, 2 more classes with list and library.
Okay. Okay.
So these tomorrow we will continue. I mean, it will take almost 30 to 40 minutes. So
Okay.
what
And
we
I
will do?
want to
Yeah.
know that InfoPath forms contain these things.
Yeah, same thing. I mean, InfoPath is like just when I create new item, right?
Right.
So customer will ask like, boss, I want look and feel is like completely different.
Okay.
So we can drag like, I mean, whatever we want, we can do it in InfoPath. Same thing.
Okay.
We are going to work on list only with InfoPath.
So, what is the difference between InfoPath and this thing? We can
We can customize little bit customization.
in InfoPath.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That I have installed already.
Okay.
I'll show you. I mean, whenever see, I mean,
Okay. Okay. After all the classes are
yeah,
complete.
yeah. And basically, since it is customization, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you we will go by one.
Yeah. 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 I
Yeah,
just have a question, so that's why I
no
asked
problem.
you.
I have planned already. I mean,
Okay. Okay.
yesterday
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
installed the info path. I didn't give you because I mean, when we need it, I mean, I'll give you
Yeah.
the link. I mean, you have to download and install it.
Yeah, yeah, because there is a just name InfoPath forms. There is a this is a simple forms. So that's why I want to know what is the difference between InfoPath forms and this list. So that's why I asked
No,
you.
no, no. You are going to work on the same list,
Mhm.
but the form will replace with info.
Okay, 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 okay.
that we'll call it as InfoPath forms only.
Okay, okay, okay,
So designer means it's almost forms.
okay, okay, okay.
We are going to work on designer, InfoPath designer 13.
Yeah,
So finally, whenever we submit the data in that InfoPath form,
yeah.
data will come to this list only.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Any questions or?
No, right
Okay.
now I don't have any question. Tomorrow I
I'll
will.
give you the task. I mean,
Yeah.
do one thing. You just come to Teams,
Yes.
and here maybe, I mean, I have another class. That's why I'm not giving.
Okay.
Anyhow, I mean, you have to practice, right? So
Yes.
in between, I mean, when after the class, I'll just share it with you here.
Okay. Okay. So
List related
yesterday.
task, I will add it.
Okay. Okay. So yesterday task and today task both
Yeah.
I will submit by
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. You
Okay.
can reach out to me if you have any doubts in between.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah. No problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm just saving the record.
Okay.
So, I mean, after 30 minutes, you are able to see it in the streams.
Okay. Okay. I will check.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.